So today we will discuss how to name alkynes. So first thing, alkynes are hydrocarbons. Second thing we should know, alkynes always contain at least one carbon-carbon triple bond. Now let's consider one example. So in this example, this is an example of an hydrocarbon. Why do we call it as an hydrocarbon? Because it contains carbon and hydrogen. You can see here carbon and hydrogen, so it's an hydrocarbon. Second thing, it has at least one carbon-carbon triple bond. Since it has at least one carbon-carbon triple bond, we call this as an alkyne. So it satisfies both the condition for an alkyne. It's an hydrocarbon, and second thing, it contains one carbon-carbon triple bond. Now let's see how we can name it. When we are naming it, you should choose the longest carbon chain by giving priority to the triple bond. Now the longest carbon chain can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or if we start from here, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So longest carbon chain has 5 carbon atoms, so we write pent. Now if you see the position of the triple bond, if you start from here, it's number 2. If you start from the other end, it will be number 3. So we should always prefer the lowest number, that is 2 pent, and since it's a triple bond, we end with YNE. So the name for this compound is 2-pentyne, and let's draw the skeletal structure. 1 carbon, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the 5 carbons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have a triple bond at the second carbon atom. So we'll write double bond and then one more bond. So this is the skeletal structure for 2-pentyne.